Alright guys, today I'm making a simple dish. It's a citrus chicken. Alright, I'm going to start with 2 pieces of boneless chicken breast, which I actually made it thinner, okay, because I didn't want it too thick. So I'm just going to add a little salt and pepper, which I did earlier. Just a little pepper here. Okay. Just gonna add a little bit of olive oil to a hot pan that's been heating up for about 2 or 3 minutes. Okay, just enough to coat the pan. Okay. Just gonna add a couple of slices of butter. Equal amounts. When the butter stops to foam, that's when I'm going to add my chicken in there. I'm going to brown it on each side, 5 minutes on each side. And I'm going to set it on the side, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do the citrus. Alright, so now the foaming is almost gone. I'm just going to add the chicken right in there. It's 2 pieces, nice. Alright, you want to hear the sizzling, but you don't want it to burn. 5 minutes on each side, so it's golden brown, fully cooked inside. Just in case you're not sure and you're not confident enough, you can always set your oven to 350, 375. I'd rather have it and not need it, and just put it in the oven for about another 10 minutes. That will guarantee that the breast will be fully cooked. And we'll be back. Alright, so now you can see the chicken is cooked. I just want to set it to the side and let it rest. Okay. Now I want to show you guys all the juices right here from the chicken and the butter and the oil. And here's where I'm going to start my citrus sauce, okay? I'm going to take this orange. Alright, it's 1 whole orange. Hit it. Fresh orange, freshly squeezed. So you can see, I got orange juice there, not using it, okay? Fresh orange. Take a lime, squeeze it, roll it, get it all loose inside. Makes for a much easier squeeze. Same thing, 1 lime. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is take a little bit of sugar, about a tablespoon. Just going to caramelize it, okay? I'm going to take some fresh oranges that I sliced and peeled. So I'm in there. Okay. Just mix them in. Alright. I'm also going to take the chicken, put it back inside there. Okay. I'm going to let it reduce a little bit. It's going to get like caramelized, a little glaze to it. And I'll be back with the plate. Alright, so my citrus sauce here is starting to get a little bit thicker, a little bit glazed. Okay? So I'm just going to grab this plate. So I don't want to overcook the chicken. Okay? Just do a quick plating for you guys. Okay. I want to remove citrus right on the plate here. Okay. Way too much. It's overkill. Okay, there you go. Alright, just respect the food. Okay. Now, starting to glaze some more. So I'm just going to keep glazing it. Raise up the heat. Okay. I want it almost to a kind of a syrupy texture. Okay. As you can see, look at the coating. It looks like a candy. It's nice and glazed. Just look at the side of the frying pan here, the skillet. As you can see, that nice glaze. Okay. This is what you want. Now I'm going to take some of that. Right on top of the chicken. Nice little glaze. Look how beautiful the color is. Okay. Some lime. Okay, and there you go, guys. Citrus chicken. Bon appetit.